Boiled eggs are halved and then the yolks are removed. The egg whites are dipped in flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Typically, I fry these, but this time I decided to air fry them. The yolks are mixed together with mayonnaise, mustard, Tabasco, and a mixture of bacon and onion, together with some olives and parsley. It's then scooped back into the air fried cases. It's garnished with more olives, bacon, paprika, and parsley. If you love deviled eggs, you've come to the right place. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Ahmed and today we're going to be making fried deviled eggs. This is next level. But guess what? We're going to be doing this in the air fryer. Typically, I fry this in hot oil, but today for the first time, as I'm making this video, I'm going to be frying them in my air fryer. Let's see how it comes out. Before I go any further with this recipe, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. Slice 6 eggs horizontally and reserve the egg yolks. I'm going to mash the yolks using my mojito muddler. You can also use the back of a spoon. I'm going to first add in 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and I'm going to work the egg yolks to remove all of the lumps. Add another tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of mustard and a splash of Tabasco, and I'm going to continue to work the egg yolks. This is now nice and smooth, so I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of fried onion and bacon bits. I cooked these in the air fryer earlier. Add 2 tablespoons of green olives. I just coarsely chopped these, and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. For best results, always allow this filling to chill in the fridge. I have all the egg whites here and I've dabbed them with some kitchen towel to make sure that all of the moisture is removed. First, I'm going to dip this in regular flour. Now, whatever moisture comes out of the egg white as it's sitting, it's going to be absorbed by the flour. And now I'm going to follow with the 1 wet hand and 1 dry hand technique. I'm going to coat my egg whites in the flour, and then using my other hand, I will dip it in the egg wash and allow the excess to drain off. Drop the egg into the breadcrumbs and with your dry hand, make sure to coat the egg all over in the breadcrumbs and keep it aside. Once all of these are done and ready, I'm going to spray my basket with oil and I'm going to start to load up the eggs. All air fryers are different. I'm going to set mine to 7 minutes and I'm going to start to cook this. I'm going to check this in between and now I'm going to give it a quick spray with oil and I'm going to continue to fry it for another 3 to 5 minutes. And look at the results. I can say that this is much better than deep frying. It's crispy and it has an all-over golden crust that I would have had to work really hard to do in the oil. Plus, I'm not using any oil, guys. I'm ditching the piping bag that I usually use and I'm going to go in with a mini ice cream scoop. Once all of the egg cases are filled, I will decorate with a slice of olive and I'm going to garnish with more bacon, a touch of paprika and parsley. Trust me, these are going to rock any celebration you serve these at. Enjoy.
my God, frying it in the air fryer gave me the most amazing results. I'm never going to make it anywhere again. If you loved my video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to make sure that you subscribe to my channel, as well as that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you love my videos, do share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy these videos as well. And don't forget to follow me on all my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.